Hello everyone, welcome to part 118 of Laravel 11 series, in which we're creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So in this part we are going to manage orders log and history, and also we are going to send order status email to the user. Okay, so let's start. In the past video we have seen that we able to update the order status. I'm going to open the admin panel in which we are maintaining the order status. After the order comes, the admin can check out the order in admin panel and can update the order status manually. So here the admin can go in orders and can open any of the order and see from here we are updating the status, but we are not saving it, so it is required to save it as well, so that we can show all the status here. We can show the status history here. Okay, like the first the admin can update to pending or to in process. After that the admin will update to shipped. Okay, so like this the admin can able to update the status of the order, and so we are required to maintain its history as well. Okay, so the same history we are going to show to the user at the front as well. So we are going to do this, and we are going to follow the steps that you can find under video. And so first thing is that we are going to create the order_logs table. Okay, its collection in MongoDB. So we are going to create it with these columns: id, order status, and created at, updated at columns that are related to the timestamp. So we are going to create this with one single command, both the things, migration file as well as the model. So this is the command that we are going to run. So let's start working on this thing. So here you can see the code is here, and I'm going to run this command. This is our project 11. So I'm going to run right click services, new terminal folder, and here I'm going to run this artisan command. So you can see both the things have been created, model as well as the migration file. So I'm going to open this migration file, create orders status table. Okay, orders log table. So in orders log table we are going to add the columns that we are required to make. Okay, so these are the columns that we're required to update. id column is not required, but rest of the columns are required that we're required to add. So this will create our order log table. So I'm going to run the php artisan migrate command. So it will create this collection in MongoDB. Okay, it has been created, and now I will also use the update this order status model class as well. I will open the order status model, and here see order log, sorry, not order status, order log. I'm going to open this order log and going to update this one. Okay, and see here, this one I am going to use this class. Same, I think we are required to update this. Here it will come order log. Okay, instead of delivery address it will come order log. Okay, so we are going to replace this default class. So after that, now we are going to update the update order status function, in which we are also going to save the order status in this order log collection. Every time when the admin update the status, we are going to save it. Okay, we are going to save it in this table. Okay, so and also we're going to send the email to the user. So for both the things we are required to update this update order status function. See, in which we are just saving. Here you can see update order log. We are adding the status in this collection every time whenever admin the update the status from the admin panel. And after that we are also sending the email. Okay, so this is the email code that we are also sending the email, order status email, to the user, intimating the user that now your order has been updated with this status. Okay, so we are going to do these both things in this function. So I will just replace this function at order controller. I'm going to open the order controller here, and going to replace this function with this one, in which we are updating the order logs. Okay, in order log we are saving the status, and also we are sending the email. So okay, so After this, this is the email template, email code. It is similar to the order blade file, that the email that we have done the last time. It is similar to that. Okay, so I'm going to add the new file here. We'll save the file with this one, with this name, order underscore status dot blade.php, and we'll add this HTML. This HTML is similar to the earlier HTML, earlier order email HTML. Only difference is that we have added just few lines at the top. That is, your order status has been updated to this one. Okay, that is the thing that we have added in this mail, and we will add these classes at the top of the order controller for sending the email. One class I have added, that mail class, and I will also include the order log model as well. Okay, so now we can check once that it is working or it is giving some error. Let's click on pending, and we can able to update that it is updating the status or not. We are going to check. Okay, so see, I'm going to check in collection. Still we need to show there in our order detail page, but here in collection it must come. I'm going to refresh it once, and we'll open the order log collection. Here, this is the collection, and here you can see the pending status has come up, so it is working fine. Okay, so now we can move to our next step, in which we can able to show the status here at the admin panel. Here we will also show the status, like every time whenever admin will update the status, here we are going to show its status as well. Okay, and for that we are going to add the relation between the order as well as the log, between the order and log. And the relation is has many. One order can have the many logs, so that's why we are going to add the has many relation between the order and the log. So this relation we are going to add in order model. So here I'm going to add this relation, and I'm going to add this log relation in our order detail function. Here I'm going to add this relation. Okay, here you can see in the next step we have simply added this relation to our order detail query, and after that we are going to finally update in order detail blade file, where we are showing the order status, where we are going to show the order status. Okay, so here I'm going to open the update order status, update order status, and this one we are going to update. Okay, so update order status and button type update, fine. And okay, so yeah, so after this we are going to show the status perform. We are going to show the status here. Let's see if the status are coming fine. So I'm going to check here. Here you can see the status is coming fine. So if now I will update to the in process, will update the status must come at the top. Okay, so let's see. Yes, in process is status is coming, but it must come at the top, and for that we are required to update here in the log. We can update it uh, maybe in the relation. We can here add here order by character at descending. Let's see if it will work fine. So you can see the latest status is coming at the top. Okay, so the current status is in process. So also we are sending the email, so I'm going to check the email in mail trap. I'm going to log into the mail trap, and here I'm going to check the email. I'm going to log into my account, to my Gmail account. So here I'm going to the inbox, and here you can see the email has also come, order status updated stackdevelopers.in. So finally the order status email is also coming, but here you can see show headers, click on show headers, mm, uh, HTML, but here the image is not coming. Is there any email front will, so we can open the another email. So here see, this is the email, so I'm going to update to this one. Now the email must come as well. I'm going to check here once again, and here now I'm going to update to, once again I will make it in process. Okay, so I'm going to update to the same status once again, and we'll see if the image will also come in the email. So new email has come up, and this time the email SideMaker's logo is also coming. Okay, so this is the email, your order, this one status has been ordered to in process. Okay, so also the details, order details are given below. So in the next part we are going to add here the tracking number, so that the admin can able to add the tracking details manually. So in the case of the shipped order, we are going to add the tracking number as well as the shipping partner, that is the delivery method, and the same thing we are going to send in email as well. So we're going to work on that thing in the next part, so please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.